Guys, and Iyatullah from Audio Direct. Check this monster truck out and check the conversion that we've done. 6.5 hours, 3-guy team. It is not easy to work on these things. You need to know what you're doing, especially because these Raptors come factory with a 6.2 litre engine and a Sony amplifier, which that combination, tricky to work. But it doesn't look like much here now, okay? But to integrate this camera, super tricky. It looks factory, we've added this ourselves, but we'll show you the quality of this thing, okay? So enter what's going to make the current owner very happy. So don't worry, we'll get you some clear footage afterwards, but you got the Raptor logo, decals and everything on there. So many options on this thing. Of course you've got radio, that goes without saying. You've got all your music, all your steering wheel controls all work. We won't play any music just so that there's no copyright infringement. Console original amplifier settings can be talked through here as well. Bluetooth for all your audio streaming and music. Video, of course, it's got to be Fast and Furious. What else? But CarPlay automatically connects when you connect your cable up to your phone. But best of all is this camera. Check this thing out. You can see the world out the back of this truck. Absolutely fantastic. Limited stock. Get in touch, hit us up. That's what we do. We turn beasts into mega beasts. And Iyatullah Audio Direct. See you later.